Hello, my name is Kurt Cruz and this is Brian O'Neill, and we're here today at Coast to Coast International here in the R&D Center to share with you some of the latest CCI restyling and wheel accessories. Let's go.
Here we have your 2018 Equinox Premier wheel.
And what Coast to Coast International did was produce an Impostor wheel skin automotive grade ABS liner that fits over and into this specific wheel. Brian, show us how it installs.
Start by removing your OEM center cap. Take your Impostor wheel skin and line up your valve stem hole and pop into place. Tighten your retention and reinstall your OEM center cap.
What are the advantages to the Impostor wheel skin? One, as you can see, it instantly changes the finish of your wheel. Two, if you have any cosmetic damage, it can help conceal it. Three, if you're an automotive dealer, it can instantly upgrade or complement the existing package of a vehicle, and it can also help differentiate the inventory on your lot. Most important advantage, it's incredibly affordable. And as you saw Brian put on, relatively easy to install. For more information,
visit us at coasttocoastinternational.com.